the pie recipe animation. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I will be teaching you the recipe to a delicious, scrumptious, heavenly apple pie dessert dish. My favorite fruit for pastries is apples. However, you could use this recipe to bake a peach pie or a pie with berries, etc. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is an oven. You're going to also need flour, some type of margarine, and if possible you could use a vegan margarine because it's better for the environment. You might need salt, sugar for the filling, cinnamon, lemon, and of course an apple or whatever type of fruit you would like. You're also going to need a fork, a knife, rolling pin, a stirring spoon, a pie tray, a cutting board, and a measuring cup or just a cup. So first you're going to get your bowl and you're going to put flour in there, maybe about 2 to 3 cups. Then you're going to add about half a stick of butter. Go ahead and stir it until the dough is a little bit flaky. Then you're going to put water, cold water, just enough until the dough becomes one ball. Don't stir it too much because you don't want to put heat into the dough. We want it to stay cold before baking. Next, we're going to roll out our doughs, so chop it in half, and we're going to roll it into 2 separate crusts, one for the top and one for the bottom. Next comes cutting the apple. You may want 3 or 4 good apples in your pie to make it filling, depending on how hungry you are. And you're also going to put sugar into the filling, your cinnamon, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Then you're going to assemble your crusts and your filling, and don't forget to poke holes in the top. Next, you should bake the pie for 45 minutes to an hour at around 400 to 450 degrees in temperature. After you're done, the pie is best served piping hot and is absolutely delicious. This has been your pie instructional video.